So with this movement, right, you can clearly see that Euro GBP is now in an uptrend move. But before we go ahead and predict what markets will be doing next, make sure you subscribe if you have yet to subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that once we drop an update, you will not miss out on any update. So this is a movement, minor movement that market has given us, which is this bullish move, right? Now that market has given us this minor bullish move, right, we should be expecting market to drop one more time and give us a bearish move. Why are we going to be expecting a bearish move? Is that when you take a look at your trend on your Euro GBP, you can clearly see that the Euro GBP trend is on a downtrend move. You can clearly see a series of lower low and a lower high. Now, this is our first low that Euro GBP gave us. Then here comes the lower high. The market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Markets eventually drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Markets give us one more sell, which is a lower low, and this is a lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, we should be expecting markets EURGBP to drop one more time to form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move is what we should be expecting next on our Euro GBP. So guys, anytime soon, Euro GBP should start giving us a bearish move, sell that we push, that we drop to take out this previous low. So guys, a sell is what you should be expecting next. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame, right? So let's see if once the London session opens, we would see a little, just small movements upward, and then one more drop, and we eventually drop further down to take out all this low, to clear out all this low. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your Euro GBP, you would want to be going for a sell, because in the long run, right, we would be anticipating for more movement to the downside. So a bearish move is what we are expecting on our Euro GBP.